my shipment finally came in. I've been talking about it on my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook, and I'm talking about the summer of 2019 top sneaker. There's no other contender. So let's just get right to it. Y'all know how we do it, man. Roll camera, roll camera, roll camera.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer, with the swiftness I appear. Cooking classics for the ear, got that special sauce, can't go without you.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, or menswear fashion, all in the same city. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, or this is your first time joining, why don't you go ahead and slap on that notification bell, hit that subscribe button that's down below, and make sure at the same time you hit that like button, because we're trying to grow this channel to its biggest potential. With all that being said, let's just get right to the content, man. Today I actually got my shipment in that I've been waiting for a while. Now, I purchased this sneaker on StockX, so shout out to StockX for sending me this so fast. I'm super excited to even wear this sneaker. So with that being said, man, I'm not even gonna waste no more time. We are talking about the Nike Presto Reacts, man. I've been waiting for this and I got a crazy color. I purchased it just because I love loud colors. I love the sneaker, and it reminds me of an old school flavor type of feel. That being said, let's just get right to the sneaker, fam. Don't judge me with these scissors, cause I lost my knife and everything, but hey, let's get right to it. Let's serve these joints. Okay, all right. Shout out to StockX. Got a sticker right there. Shout out to y'all, man. Word, man. Nike React Presto Barely Volt. Let's show you I got that joint right there. You know, got my info, got my card. Let me know how much it costs. It went for $129 on StockX with the shipping, and it all came out to like $143 all together with the shipping. So yeah, this is size 13. Y'all know that BAF club, big ass foot. Shout out to y'all, man, cause bruh, like, and they give you the directions on the back and tell you take a picture. You know, if you're not used to StockX or anything like that, take a picture, put it on your IG, post it up, and let people know that you certified. And of course I am certified. Y'all want to get to the sneaker, I know. Bam, 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 bam. Woohoo! Yeah, this joint is fire. As y'all can see, I got my official tag on the back. Yes, I am certified, straight like that, man. I am certified. Way to stay creative. It's a way for people to be interactive and everything. Like, shout out to StockX. Shout out to Nike, fam. Look at these joints, bro. All right, now I got these joints out here. I got them out the way. I got the box. I want y'all to see it in full action, man. These joints are fire, man. These joints are crazy. I'm in love with this sneaker. Thumbnail. All right, but man, look at this shoe. Like, this is a comfort shoe, period. Like, right off the back, the reason that I even got these, one, the color did like catch my attention, and that's all cool. That's all cool and everything. But more so, I was looking for a sneaker for comfort. I don't want it so much for going out to like crazy places. I might wear it once in a while when I'm like being like stylish or whatsoever, when I want to put together you know, a small look fit or something like that for like walking around the gym and everything, because I like comfort shoes more than anything. This here is crazy. I saw this and I seen like all like the cushion on here. Just reading about it just got me excited about it. So just to look at the entire sneaker, one, I love this whole color of this shoe, simply because it reminds me of some old school sneakers. I mean, some old school colors. Like, if you remember what Nickelodeon colors are like, these are those colors, like that GAC, the slime and all that stuff. And like, it was real cool. So it just reminds me like that lava lamp gel that they have on here. This crazy type of color, this Volt color, it's like a 2-for-1. You get the style of what today is, because everybody is wearing neon colors, but at the same time, these colors actually tap back into like childhood for me because of, like I said, Nickelodeon. So like I said, these are fire. Looking at the bottom, you can see that there is like a lot of grip and cushion. So if you do work out, you do a lot of running, you walking around and everything, there's a lot of comfort that's gonna be here at the bottom of this shoe. Not only will you have grip at the bottom of this shoe, but the comfort, it really do feel soft. It's like a marshmallow, man, at the bottom of here. Like, this is perfect. I would say, like, if you really want a shoe for comfort, this is the way to go. And looking at the, like, if you look on the midsole, you'll see this side just has like all white, but it has a splash of orange. So it's like that look like you have lava, you stepped in some lava and it's smashed on the side a little bit. But as you start to turn to the back, it starts to creep up a little bit, give you a little hint of this live arc, this live neon blue. And then you hit to the side and bam, look on the outside of that sneaker, man. That midsole is crazy, bro. Do you see that? Do you see how fire this is? You got that lime green that's on there. You got that neon green. You got that electric blue. You got that electric neon orange on here, which is super crazy. I love this so much, man. I think this is one of the most fireest midsoles that I have seen in a while, to be honest. Like, seriously, yeah. But now let's get to the upper really quick. If you look, you can see like this plastic that's on here. It's like this plastic grip, and not only is it just there for decoration, it's what holds your shoes together. Basically what tightens your sneaker and everything, because it also holds the lace, and as you tighten it up, this plastic on both sides will actually squeeze the shoe together. And it's very flexible on here as well, so you could bend it, you could twist it and all that stuff. It's pretty dope for it to be like a pretty dope for the design, and at the same time pretty dope for comfort too, man. And I like how they still kept the color on here going. It's kind of like transparent a little bit. It's like, it's very light, so you can kind of see, if I put my thumb behind there, you'll see like my thumb still, so you could kind of see through it a little bit, and I think that's pretty dope. Now as we get to the upper, we have the breathing of the shoe. That means that this shoe can breathe a lot, man. You won't have funky feet walking around or anything like that. You can put on your socks, or you can run around however you like to run around and be active. Not only will it breathe going out on the sneaker, but you will have air that also go in, so it can circulate through your foot, and it won't bring that must, that funk smell in there. Now also looking at the fabric on here, bro, you won't have to worry about the leather or anything. Like when you running and you bending your toes and everything, this is not going to create any creases in your sneaker, man. I'm so excited about this, for them to have a creative shoe like this, where you can either wear it to work out or just walking around, or if you just want to put it with an outfit or whatever it may be, you still gonna look good in this sneaker, man, and it's not gonna cause no creases. So you can wear this as many times as you want to, and it's not gonna damage your sneaker. Only thing you gotta do is just keep up with the cleaning on here, man. Like I said, I'm crazy excited about this. Now moving to the back, bro, look at the back. That's crazy. Like, I love this. It's just small little hints of things. Like we have this blue that's on the back, and then we have some extra dots that's on the back that keep on the heel of the shoe. It's kind of like that suede texture. So everything about this shoe pretty much says comfort, man. And in the evening, if you are to wear this in the evening, you'll see like all of this. It'll turn like that. It'll highlight itself in the dark. So when people are driving past you, these are going to be like reflectors on here, man. And that's crazy, man. That's safety for you, man. That's safety. I'm appreciative of that. Next up is the inside of the sneaker. Let me take this out real quick. Let's look on the inside of here real quick. Man, they got even brighter. But let me tell you, like, if y'all can see that, you'll see that it's a lava lamp on the inside. So it's keeping like all the Nike Presto Reacts, they have different colorways, and each one on the inside will have like its different icon. This one have a lava lamp. I think the honey one has like a bumblebee, and then there's another one where there's like a captain or something like that. But this one is fire, bro. I got a lava lamp on the inside, so I'm super excited about that. It's small little things that will keep my interest when it comes to a sneaker. So shout out to Nike Presto React, man. I'm happy about this, man. Also, it doesn't have too much stuff around here that says Nike, Nike, Nike everywhere. You don't have to do that. A dope shoe don't even need all that crazy stuff. It just subtle hints of Nike, just Nike check marks around here, and I think that's pretty dope as well. So if you look at the top of the shoe, of course you'll see that Nike check, that Nike swoosh. Then you'll turn it to the side like I showed you earlier. You'll see another Nike swoosh, and that's pretty much it until you get to the bottom. And right here it says Nike React. Again, this shoe is all about comfort, and it's also all about style as well. So I can't wait to wear these both, whether I'm like styling my sneakers or when I'm working out. Yeah, I'm too excited for this. So hopefully you all will definitely be purchasing your Presto Reacts. A lot of people are asking, is this true to size? I would say yes, it is true to size. If you're looking for a nice fit, go true to size. These are meant to fit on your feet like gloves, pretty much. I can say for sure, like, you're definitely gonna get a lot out of this sneaker. And lastly, like I said, I told y'all earlier, this went for $129.30 altogether retail, but altogether with the shipping from StockX, it came to $143 altogether, but it was well worth it. I'm excited to wear these sneakers. I can't wait to show you all how these look in my next picture. So if you want to see how I look in these sneakers, make sure that you go follow me on my IG. You can also follow me on my Twitter, and you can follow me on my Facebook, which I will show you right now. And if not, you see at the end of the video, you'll see that these dope sneakers are you'll see all of my social media channels on there. So now with that being said, man, sums up everything. Thank y'all for joining me today. As always, I'm super appreciative. If this is something that you really did like, make sure you go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button and show your homeboys some love. And while you at it, hit that notification bell. And as always, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Never been a cool kid, always been the smoothest. I ain't about that talking, my nigga, I'm out to prove it. Nigga stupid and I had enough. Chips is